Symmetric 14th chapter. Now the first question is, what is the meaning of symmetry? What is the meaning of symmetry and a symmetry line? I am explaining this again. We have an plain paper, and in this plain paper there are two holes. We have punch here in this way, and we want to fold this plain paper in a symmetric way. We have to fold. We want to fold plain paper in a symmetric way, and these punches are the punches with equal distance from the left and equal distance from the right side, and we have to fold this plain paper. So what we have to done, we will fold in this way. Now you will observe that these two holes will coincide, and these two holes coincide. So we can say that we fold this plain paper in a symmetric way, because there is this is the plain paper, and this line you are looking at, this line become line of symmetry. This line become line of symmetry. This line. Now I'm drawing with a marker with a line of symmetry, so that you will get clearly visible. This blue line is a line of symmetry, because after folding this plain paper in this way, these holes coincide with each other. These holes coincide with each other. So it is clear that this is a line of symmetry. This is that line from where if we fold this plain paper, and two sides will become same. As usual, आप हर रोज अपने मिरर में अपनी इमेज देखते हैं. अगर आपके पास ये मिरर है, this is the mirror, and you are sitting here, you are standing here, so आपकी इमेज इतने ही डिस्टेंस पे, इक्वल डिस्टेंस पे आपको इमेज दिखाई देती है मिरर पे. तो मीन्स these two images are symmetric with each other, and line of symmetry is, this is the line of symmetry, and this mirror is called line of symmetry. You are sitting here, and your image is in the image is in this position. So your image and your real are symmetric about each other, and this is the line of. If we draw another figure, ये तो आपके लिए एक मिरर का एग्जांपल था. अगर हम कोई दूसरी फिगर ड्रॉ करें, जैसे हमने कहा कि हम एक ट्रायंगल ड्रॉ कर देते हैं. What will be the symmetry for a triangle? If we draw equilateral triangle, as you know that in case of equilateral triangle, all sides are equal. This is an equilateral triangle. आप इसको equilateral triangle भी बोल सकते हैं. Equilateral triangle. And another word you can say that regular triangle. What is the meaning of a regular triangle? Regular triangle means all sides are equal. In case of equilateral triangle is a particular regular triangle, both are same. Equilateral triangle means all sides are equal. Regular triangle means all sides are equal. If you use this word regular to a square, regular square, regular polygon. Regular polygons means there is any shape which has more than 3 sides and all sides are equal. You can make regular pentagon. Regular pentagon means pentagon. There is a shape with 5 sides and all 5 sides are equal. This is a regular pentagon in which all का मीनिंग समझा रहा हूँ. जहाँ पे पेंटागन अगर कहीं लिखा है, पेंटागन मीन्स देयर इज अ 5 against all 5 are equal. So this is a difference. I'm drawing here a regular triangle. Regular triangle means all sides are equal, and we want to make a line, a line of symmetry of this triangle. In this triangle, this is a line of symmetry. लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री का मीनिंग मैंने आपको समझाया। अगर आप उस लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री से अगर आप इस ट्रायंगल को इस पोजीशन से कट कर दें और इस फिगर को ऐसे फोल्ड कर दें, अगर ये कटने के बाद पूरी की पूरी फिगर इसके ऊपर आ जाती है, इट मींस दैट दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। अब मैं आपसे समझाना चाहता हूँ कि ये प्लेन पेपर हमने लिया था, अभी हमने इसको ऐसे फोल्ड किया, तो ये लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री थी आपकी ब्लू लाइन। ये प्लेन पेपर जो हाफ पोर्शन जो आपका है, इसके ऊपर ये वाला कंप्लीट हाफ पोर्शन इसके ऊपर आ जाता है। इट मींस दैट दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। अगर ये इस पे नहीं आ पाता, सपोज कीजिए हम कोई दूसरी लाइन ले लेते हैं, दैट इज नॉट अ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री। हमने ये वाली लाइन ली, सेकंड लाइन हम ले लेते हैं, एंड नाउ वी आर फोल्डिंग फ्रॉम हियर। नाउ दीज पोर्शन आर नॉट लाई अपॉन ईच अदर। You are looking this gap. We are folding this paper in such a way that these two portions are not upon each other, so this is not a line of symmetry. This line is not a line of symmetry. You are looking here. This line is not line of symmetry. Line of symmetry कौन सी लाइन है आपकी? ये blue वाली। अब हम blue के along इसको fold लें in such a way, and you will get this figure. We'll see that half portion lie upon another half portion. So this blue line will become line of symmetry. Since line of symmetry will is a line, अगर इस line से को ऐसे fold करे तो वो उसको cover कर ले. That is line of symmetry. So this will become line of symmetry. There is another line of symmetry in this triangle. This may be the line of symmetry. This is also a line of symmetry. Any line passing through the vertices of a triangle. These are vertices of triangle. First vertex, second, and third. First line of passing through the vertices, second is passing through these vertices, and third line of symmetry is this. So in case of a regular triangle, there is three line of symmetry. First line of symmetry is this L1, second line of symmetry is L2, and third line of symmetry is L3. These are the line of symmetry. So now we will take another example to verify this. We will take an example of a square. हमने अभी रेगुलर ट्रायंगल को एनालाइज किया. नाउ वी विल टेक ए स्क्वायर. एक स्क्वायर फिगर लेते हैं और उसको समझने की कोशिश करते हैं कि इसमें लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री कितनी हो सकती है. दिस इज द स्क्वायर फिगर. स्क्वायर में तो वैसे चारों साइड आपकी इक्वल होती है, तो उसमें तो रेगुलर लिखिए ना लिखिए डजंट मैटर. तो स्क्वायर के केस में लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री क्या होगी? अगर आप इसको इस प्लेन स्क्वायर फिगर को इस साइड से काट दें, बिल्कुल मिड से, you have to imagine in such a way that this is a square paper. अगर आप ये स्क्वायर पेपर है, अगर आप इसको बीच से ऐसे काटते हैं और ये इस तरह की फिगर पे फोल्ड हो जाता है, तो इसका मीनिंग क्या हुआ? दिस इज द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. सेम फिगर कवर कर लेता है. ये यहां से कट करने के बाद सेम फिगर कवर कर लेगा. लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. अगर आप इसको इस वे में कट करते हैं, नीचे से इस वे कट करते हैं और फोल्ड होने के बाद ये कवर अप कर ले, तो दिस इज आल्सो ए लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. तो दिस बिकम सेकंड लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री. अब ये प्लेन पेपर हमारा स्क्वायर फिगर हमारी इस शेप में थी. अगर हमने इसको इस वे में फोल्ड किया, इस वे में, तो भी ये लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बन सकती है. दिस इज अ लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इन सच ए वे दैट second line of symmetry is this. तो टोटल कितनी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होगी अभी के लिए हमारी? एक हॉरिजॉन्टल, एक वर्टिकल, वर्टिसेस जो आपके डायगोनल पास होता है स्क्वायर का, इस तरह से। सेकंड क्या हो सकती है जी, अगर आपने प्लेन पेपर इस वे में लिया है, आप इसको ऐसे भी तो फोल्ड कर सकते हैं। You can fold in such a way that this will become line of symmetry. In case of square, there is 4 line of symmetry. This one, सबसे पहले हमने horizontal ये ली, this one एक फर्स्ट, हम वैसे काउंटिंग करते हैं, नंबरिंग देने की जरूरत नहीं होती हमें। फर्स्ट, this one is second, third, and this one is fourth. These are the line of symmetry, 4 line of symmetry. फर्स्ट वाली vertical, second वाली horizontal, third the diagonal and diagonal. This is the line of symmetry. Now we will discuss another figure. This is a square, regular square. Now we will discuss regular pentagon, and we will try to find out the line of symmetry along regular pentagon. Pentagon is a shape which has 5 sides, and regular pentagon means all 5 sides are equal. All 5 sides are equal. In case of pentagon, first line of symmetry will be such a way that this is the first line of symmetry. Means if we cut this pentagon along this line, and we can cover up these 2 parts by folding each other. So this becomes line of symmetry in a pentagon. What will be the second line? In case of a regular pentagon, there is another line. If we pass this line through these vertices, this will be also a line of symmetry. Means if we cut this pentagon along this line and we will fold, this will become line of symmetry. Second become line of symmetry will become from this vertex. तो हमने 3 लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री को बताया, vertical from this vertices, from this vertices. Now another line of symmetry will be from this vertex. This is the line of symmetry, and another is line of symmetry. So in case of a regular pentagon, there are 5 line of symmetry. So after observing these 3 figures, first we observe the regular triangle, second we observe the square, now we observe the regular pentagon. So we can say that in case of regular polygon, if there are number of line of symmetry equal to number of side of that regular polygon. So you can note down this statement. Each regular polygon has as many line of symmetry as number of side of that polygon. Number of that polygon. Each regular polygon has as many line of symmetry as number of side of that polygon. मीन्स अगर आपसे पूछ लिया जाए पेंटागन के केस में लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री की होगी 5, इन केस ऑफ रेगुलर पेंटागन नंबर ऑफ साइड कितनी होगी पेंटागन 5, तो आपकी कितनी बनेंगी ये लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री 5. रेगुलर हेक्सागन, in case of regular hexagon is a figure which has 6 sided. हेक्सागन को हम यहां से ऐसे ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. दिस इज अ रेगुलर हेक्सागन, ऑल 6 साइड्स. दिस इज अ रेगुलर हेक्सागन. इन केस ऑफ रेगुलर हेप्टागन, इन केस ऑफ रेगुलर हेप्टागन बोलिए या आप इसको सेप्टागन भी बोलते हैं. सेप्टागन मीन्स नंबर ऑफ साइड्स आर 7. So this has number of line of symmetry. Number of line of symmetry is 7. In case of regular octagon is a figure which has 8 side. So this has a number of line of symmetry is 8. By observing this figure, if you have any polygon, you have to observe that number of side of that polygon, and you can tell about number of line of symmetry of that polygon. Now, after understanding the symmetry and line of symmetry, come to the exercise 14.1. There is some pictures. We have to find the line of symmetry of each figure. First figure is, now we draw the first figure and find out the line of symmetry of that figure. First question of 14. Exercise 14.1, first question. In this question, this is not a regular figure. You can't say that this is not a regular figure. Normal figure है. आपको line of symmetry draw करनी है. What will be the line of symmetry? So line of symmetry will be from this point. This will be the line of symmetry. Are you observing this red portion? Red line is a line of symmetry. थोड़ा विजुअलिटी का इशू है इसलिए मैं इसको डार्क कर रहा हूं, लेकिन आपको एग्जाम में डार्क नहीं करना है, डॉटेड लाइन लगानी है. आई एम रिपीटिंग अगेन. इफ दिस इज अ फिगर and you have to draw the line of symmetry to figure, we will simply draw in such a way that in a dotted line. This will be the line of symmetry of this figure. This is our part of our question. Now doing this question in such a way that you will find out the line of symmetry of other images. Second part, what will be the line of symmetry for the second part? Second part is this, and you have to draw all the line of symmetry of this figure. One line of symmetry will be in this way. Means ये आपको ऑब्जर्व करना है कि आप इसको अगर इस वे में कट कर दें और इसको फोल्ड करें तो दोनों इमेज एक दूसरे पर ओवरलैप करती है. So this will be the line of symmetry. Another line of symmetry will be this vertical way. This will be the line of symmetry for this figure. Third figure is, now come to the third figure, line of symmetry. Well, what will be the line of symmetry? This is a figure, and we have to draw the line of symmetry for this figure. What will be the line of symmetry for this figure? This will be the line of symmetry for this figure. there is only one line of symmetry for this figure. This is third figure of our first question of 14.1. This line will be the line of symmetry. अब यहाँ पे आपको एक ऐसी शेप दी है जहाँ इस कॉर्नर पे ही आपको इस तरह का शेडेड पोर्शन है. नाउ आई एम चेंजिंग दिस क्वेश्चन. आपको कुछ ऐसी शेप दे कि जिसपे यहाँ कोई शेप ड्रॉ ना की गई हो, तो सिंपली आप देखते हैं अगर आपको ये स्क्वायर नजर आ रहा है, लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री वही होंगी, चार साइडें हैं, देयर विल बी फोर लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड एंड फोर्थ. This will be the line of symmetry. So in this way we can find the line of symmetry, and in first question you have to do all these parts and you observe
Hello?
what will be the line of symmetry.
Krishnan sir,
Hello. Yes sir.
5 minutes left.
Okay sir.
बच्चों को कुछ
So
वो पूछना है.
तो अलाउ कर दीजिए सर बच्चों को. हमने यहाँ पे पंचीज किए थे. वी हैव टू पंच. हमें क्या करना है, हमें इस पंचेस को इस तरह से करना है, ये एक दूसरे पे पंच करे, ओवरलैप करना है एक. तो in the second question, first part, there are two holes, this hole and this hole. We have to find the line of symmetry. You have to draw the line, all the axes of symmetry for this line. What will be the line of symmetry for this axis? So this will be line of symmetry for this axis. रीजन क्या है, अगर आप इस लाइन के अलोंग अगर इसको फोल्ड करते हैं, these punch will overlap each other. So next question is, next part is second part of this question. In second part there is another figure and there is two hole, this hole and this hole. We have to find the line of symmetry for this figure. So line of symmetry will be this line. This line will be line of symmetry. इसके अलावा अगर हम इसको फोल्ड करते हैं, this punch will overlap with the upper punch. Lower punch will overlap with upper punch. You can say that upper punch will overlap with the lower punch. So dear students, you have to practice these questions and you have to make a paper. आप इसको easily अपने एक पेपर लेके आप उसमें होल बना के, जैसे ये पेपर है इस पे आपको दो तरह के होल आपको दिखाई दे रहे हैं, ठीक है. अगर हमें लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री इसके लिए निकालनी, these two punches overlap with each other, so this line will overlap with each other, so this line will become line of symmetry. जो आपको डार्क नजर आ रही है जहां से हमने फोल्ड किया है, that line will be the line of symmetry. So for the next figure we will analyze the last figure of second question, that is a circle, and we will find out the line of symmetry for the circle which has two holes. In case of circle there are two holes, this hole and this hole. We have to find the line of symmetry for this figure. So there may be the two line of symmetry. First line of symmetry is this, and second line of symmetry is a line which is passing between the mid of these two small hole. ये जो छोटे छोटे होल नजर आ रहे हैं, इनसे बिल्कुल मिड से पास करती हुई लाइन, ध्यान दीजिए, इनके बिल्कुल मिड से पास करती हुई लाइन क्या बनेगी, एक लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री बनेगी. क्योंकि आप इस लाइन का लॉन्ग अगर इसको कट कर दे, फोल्ड करें, तो इस होल का आधा पोर्शन इसी होल के ऊपर वाले आधे पोर्शन को कवर अप कर लेगा। सो दिस विल बी द लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री, इसी तरह से इसको कवर अप कर लेगा। So there will be the two line of symmetry for this circle. Beside this question, now I am drawing another circle. There is no any hole, and if we ask what will be the line of symmetry for this circle, how many line of symmetry are there? So there may be, this will be the line of symmetry, this will be the line of symmetry, this will be the line of symmetry. If you draw the line of symmetry for this circle, there are infinite line of symmetry for this circle. Infinite means so many, countable. You cannot count the number of line symmetry of this circle. But in case of this circle, if there are two punches, there are two small circles, there will be two line of symmetry for this figure. But for this figure, there are so many line of symmetry which cannot be counted by you. If अगर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया जाए सिंपल एक सर्कल ड्रा करके कि देयर आर हाउ मेनी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री फॉर दिस सर्कल, हाउ मेनी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री फॉर दिस सर्कल, देयर आर इनफाइनाइट लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री फॉर दिस सर्कल. हाउ मेनी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री? इनफाइनाइट. इनफाइनाइट मीन्स अनकाउंटेबल. कितनी होंगी?